4 steps towards dealing with regret in a healthy way. Regrets happen to everyone. No matter how tall or strong someone's ivory tower seems to be, you can just about bet on them having at least one regret. While it is normal for everyone, it is still difficult to accept and move past. For some, this can be incredibly challenging. There are ways to work through it and reset yourself for a better future. 1. Accept your regret and the ensuing emotions. Remorse and the myriad of other emotions that come with it can be overwhelming. Take time to process these emotions in a way that allows you to recognize and accept them without getting lost in them. You can try reflective meditation or journaling to achieve this. 2. Let go of your regret. Once you have recognized and accepted all your emotions, the vital part is to move past them. Letting go of your regret and the accompanying emotions is most important, as you do not want to become trapped in the endless cycles of remorse or denial. Again, you may want to consider different ways of doing this: meditation, journaling, or visualizations. Consider visualizing each of your negative, harmful emotions as a balloon that you let go of. 3. Stop focusing on the past. Once you have let go of your emotions in the way that best served you, stop thinking about the past. The more you focus on the past, the less time and energy you will have to devote to your present and future. Running what-ifs through your mind will not serve you. You cannot change the past, but you can change your future. Begin to notice when you are looking to the past and stop yourself. Consciously move your mind back into the present and feel gratitude for how far you've come. 4. Take action in your present situation. Since you can change your future, that means you also have the ability to take action in your present situation. Consider what you can do now and going forward to make your life align more with your goals. If you have a regret, then you most likely have learned a lesson. Implement that lesson and act now. Regret happens to everyone. Some are big, some are small, and you may experience more remorse in the future despite taking action. However, what really matters is what you do with it. Experience, deal, process, let go, and move on. Those are the key steps in dealing with and moving past your regret in a healthy way.